Well, that's good enough, I guess. You gonna ride down it?
No.
You're not?
Okay, don't video this one, okay?
Oh, it'll be all right.
No, don't video this one. I've already got to grip this whole video.
Okay, I got it off. See, that wasn't nothing.
That was really bumpy. This one is going to be bumpy. Because it's so soft, plus there's a... Okay, 2 America!
You okay?
Yeah. Hey, look, with that, it's still spinning.
Sorry, but I had to laugh. You okay?